Hey, get up. Hey, get up. You niggas say you's a fucker rapper. Now, nigga, I ain't never seen you trapping. Yeah, catch me in that Wesley Square trapping. Catch me in that fucking Wesley Square trapping. Me and my niggas stay with them fucking bangers. Nigga, pull it out, who them Rugers, get them bang. Shoot them up in this fucking bitch. Rito, need to grab the camera in this bitch. I'm like, hold up, feeling this shit. Shout out BOM, shout out to my nigga Fritz. Going hard, going ham, busting up these flows. Nigga, hold up, watch Miley Cyrus touch her toes. Feeling good, feeling hood, nigga, what's my name? Levels to this shit, niggas, levels to this game. Nigga, Hall of Fame, spit the fucking fire flame. Who fucking want it? Nigga, better know my name. Levels up in this bitch. Got your bitch about to suck my dick. Man, hold up, I say holy shit, cause she blow my shit like holy shit, like holy grail, like holy hell. Send me back to heaven and hell. Nigga, hold up, I'm coming down. Kamikaze all through your mind, like woo! Killing this shit, beating this shit and building this shit. Beating this shit and building this shit. No Versace on my neck, no Versace on my shit. Yeah, but I got that polo in that Vans too. Ray-Ban suit, nigga, come and see my view of the ocean side, of the open mind, of the open ride. And you wanna come, my nigga, come around, wanna spit the rhyme, and then you say you wanna bust the flow, my nigga. Wanna get on my track, wanna get on my back. Man, hold up, coming back in the back, bring it way back in the back. But did I ever fuck with you back? Way back when we had no friends, way back when we had diamonds in our bins, way back when we had diamonds in our rims, way back when we had no fucking friends. Yeah, back in 2000, nigga. Jamming zero on that fucking 90, nigga. 90 fucking max, that's my radio max. Nigga got the view of my fucking Pyrex. Nigga selling hard, nigga selling hard. Flip that shit, cook that white, then we break a bar. Break a bar in half, split it with my young nigga. Watch my young nigga, he gon' run and get them figures. Bring it back, all that shit wet, band it up. Nigga say, nigga shout out Bandager, Rito my manager. Yo, got it, come on my nigga, we tryna manage up. Tryna manage up on this cash. Manage up on half of these ass. Manage up on half of these hoe ass, trick ass, half ass, blocking these ass. Blogging ass, so tricking ass, so hoe ass, bitch ass nigga. Let me go ahead and get back straight focused to my niggas. Like, we fucking eating, we fuck eating, we fuck eating. Goddamn it, Thanksgiving evening, ha, eat. I say we eat, I say we eat, yeah.